In the heart of a rapidly changing India, one company stands as a beacon of progress, shaping the landscape of the nation with vision, innovation, dedication, and trust. Welcome to the world of Dilip Buildcon Ltd, where every project is a testament to our commitment to a better future. Established in 1987 under the name Dilip Builders by our visionary leader Mr. Dilip Suryavanshi, Dilip Buildcon has evolved into a construction powerhouse with over 27,000 dedicated employees.
तो ये जो समय है भारत की इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रगति का विश्व के इतिहास में एक बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन होने वाला है और DBL ने इन सभी क्षेत्रों में अलग अलग जगह अलग अलग स्टेट्स में काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे मेट्रो भोपाल, मेट्रो इंदौर, मेट्रो सूरत, मेट्रो अहमदाबाद भी हम बना रहे हैं, राजकोट एयरपोर्ट हम लोगों ने बनाया, कोल माइंस हैं हमारी अलग अलग, MDOs हैं, उड़ीसा में हैं, दुमका में हम पंजाब गवर्नमेंट के लिए कर रहे हैं। तो इस तरह के हमारे अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट काम करते रहते हैं।
Dilip Buildcon Ltd commenced its journey in 2008 as an engineering, procurement, and construction (EPC) company, primarily focusing on road construction in Madhya Pradesh. The initial focus on roads laid the foundation for the company's expertise in infrastructure development. Since then, DBL has now become India's biggest EPC employer and the largest fleet owner of Asia. In the last 17 years, DBL has successfully built quality infrastructure for various states in the field of roads and highways, railways and metro, mining, irrigation, tunnels, special bridges and urban development. Let's embark on a journey through some of our groundbreaking projects meant to shape the future of our nation.
हर सेक्टर में हम कोशिश करते हैं कि जो सर्वश्रेष्ठ कर सकें वो करें। उसके लिए हमारी पूरी टीम क्वालिटी को लेकर हर चीज़ को लेकर बहुत जुनून से लगी रहती है और हमारे प्रयास हैं कि हम कुछ भारत के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो आने वाले 10-15 सालों में विश्व में सबसे ज़्यादा डेवलप्ड कंट्रियों में आ जाएगा, उसमें जो भी योगदान दे सकते हैं हम दें और उसके लिए अच्छा काम करें।
Bangalore-Chennai Greenfield Expressway, Karnataka. Part of the monumental mega project valued at 17,000 crores, this stretch encompasses 260 kilometers and is a vital component of the Bangalore-Chennai Greenfield Expressway. Aligned with the Indian government expressway mission, this endeavor aims to enhance connectivity and foster economic development. Another integral segment of the expressway, located in Malur, Karnataka, contributes to the ambitious vision of the Indian government expressway mission, ensuring seamless connectivity and progress over its extensive stretch. Surat Metro Rail Project, Phase 1 and 2, nestled within the world's largest diamond manufacturing center, the Surat Metro Rail Project emerges as a transformative mass rapid transit system. Comprising 2 lines and 37 stations, this under-construction project, spearheaded by the Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation, is set to redefine urban connectivity in Surat, the second largest city in Gujarat. Indore Metro Rail Project, MP, linking the strategic points of Indore Airport to the city. The Indore Metro Rail Project is a key development in the rapid transit system. As a critical part of the Indore Metro, Dilip Buildcon's contribution extends to the construction of the Bhopal Metro, forming an interconnected web of modern transportation in Madhya Pradesh. Siarmal, MCL Mining MDO, Orissa. The Siarmal open-cast mines, a prestigious and colossal project in the country, represents the largest MDO endeavor. Situated in the IB Valley coalfields in Sundargarh district, Orissa, with a peak rated capacity of 50 MTPA, this project has a 5-year ramping up period. Dilip Buildcon's role as the appointed MDO facilitated the commencement of coal production in May 23. With a contractual duration of 25 years, this MDO initiative holds a total contracted capacity of 1,091 million tons. Pachwara Mining MDO, Pakur, Jharkhand. Located in Pakur district, Jharkhand, the Pachwara central coal mines are designated for captive utilization in the power plants of the Punjab State Power Corporation Limited, PSPCL. Boasting a peak rated capacity of 7 MTPA and extractable reserves totaling 383 million tons, this 55-year contract commenced coal production in September 23. This mining venture plays a pivotal role in reducing fuel costs, minimizing dependency on imported coal, and contributing significantly to cost savings for the state of Punjab. Bhadbut Barrage Irrigation, Gujarat. Witness the marvel of marine engineering at the Bhadbut Barrage mega project. This joint venture with HCC required expert construction of a 1663-meter-long causeway-cum-weir barrage. The barrage will create a reservoir holding 599 million cubic meters of fresh water, providing fresh water for drinking, agriculture, and industries in the region. The company expanded into the irrigation and dam segment in 2014. This expansion showcased versatility and a willingness to undertake projects in critical water resource management. Navnera Barrage Irrigation, Rajasthan. Rajasthan's first interlinking of rivers project, the Eastern Rajasthan Canal project, takes a significant step forward with the Navnera Barrage. Providing drinking water to 40% of the state's population, this project is a lifeline for the people of Rajasthan. Mardanpur Group Water Supply Project, Madhya Pradesh, delivering not just infrastructure but a lifeline. The Mardanpur Group Water Supply Project covers 190 villages where water is pumped into 3 break pressure tanks, further leading into 132 elevated surface reservoirs at the village level to ensure uninterrupted treated drinking water supply from the river Narmada till 2035.
जल जीवन मिशन की योजना है जो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी द्वारा शुरू की गई है, वो भारत की अद्वितीय योजना है। हर ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में छोटे छोटे शहरों में करीबन 1.5 लाख, 2 लाख, 2.5 लाख घरों में घर के सामने नल का कनेक्शन दिया जा रहा है, जो कि ऐतिहासिक एक परिवर्तन लाएगा आम ग्रामीण क्षेत्र की महिलाओं के लिए।
DBL, which has laid more than 15,000 kilometers of roads in the country in just the last 5 years, is one of the selected companies of Central India to be listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Sahibganj, Ganga Bridge and Manihari Special Bridge, Bihar, connectivity redefined. The 6-kilometer-long bridge across the holy river Ganga ensures seamless interstate connectivity between Jharkhand and Bihar. A true engineering marvel, reducing the commute from 150 kilometers to just 25. Zuari Bridge, Goa. The Zuari Bridge in Goa stands as the widest 6-lane cable stay bridge in India. With a total length of 640 meters, it's a testament to our commitment to creating infrastructure that lasts.
अगले 5 साल के विजन के लिए कंपनी एकदम प्रिपेयर्ड है कि गवर्नमेंट का जो विजन है 2047 में एक डेवलप्ड कंट्री बनने के लिए, जिसमें इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का बड़ा योगदान होने वाला है। तो आज हम जितने भी वर्टिकल में काम कर रहे हैं, तो वी आर वेरी मच प्लेस्ड टू बिल्ड द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर द कंट्री।
Greenfield Airport at Hirasar, Gujarat. The Rajkot International Airport, constructed by DBL, is more than just a runway of a staggering 3,040-meter length. With a capability to handle wide-body aircraft like Airbus A380, Boeing 747, and Boeing 777, it is a gateway to progress for the region, leading to an inauguration by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself on the 27th of July 2023. Churahat bypass of Rewa Sidhi section tunnel, Madhya Pradesh, breaking through barriers. DBL's first tunnel project in Rewa showcases unparalleled construction skills that incorporate advanced safety systems and emergency rescue systems. The twin-tube tunnel reduces travel time and improves connectivity for the people. Rishikesh, Karan-Prayag Tunnel, Uttarakhand. Part of the Char Dham Railway project, the Rishikesh, Karan-Prayag Tunnel is a testament to expertise. A 6.4-kilometer main tunnel, a 6.3-kilometer escape tunnel, and 2 major bridges, all contributing to the progress of Uttarakhand. Pari Bazar Ramnagar, Bara Mahal, Bhopal, a vision for the future. The redevelopment of the Shahjahanabad area in Bhopal promises a vibrant and livable community. The ambitious plans of the government of Madhya Pradesh include the construction of 460 government housing units, an old age home, and various independent land parcels for private housing and commercial use.
हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए भी मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा, बेस्ट सिस्टम देते हैं। हमारे यहाँ खाने का सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है। हमारे हर साइड पे हमारी खुद की कैंटीन्स हैं, जिससे कि खाने की क्वालिटी भी रहे, तो उससे उनकी एफिशिएंसी डबल हो जाती है।
This is why our dedicated team accepts all challenges and provides 100% satisfaction to their clients. DBL's responsibility and sensitivity towards both their social as well as corporate expectations is right up top. That's why work strategies always aim to meet the highest EHS standards, environment, health and security.
कंपनी ने हमेशा टाइम टू टाइम अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स को टाइमली कंप्लीट करने के लिए हाईटेकनेस का भी हमेशा ध्यान रखा है कि जैसे जैसे फील्ड में टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज होती है तो हम लोगों का अडॉप्टेशन लेवल भी बहुत फास्ट है कि कितनी जल्दी हम वो टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी के लिए अडॉप्ट करते हैं और इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं। और हमारा फ्यूचर में भी ये मानना है कि कंपनी इसी तरह अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट कंट्री में डिलीवर करते रहेंगे तो हम हमारे पार्टनर्स के साथ भी अच्छा रिलेशन बिल्ड करके रखेंगे।
As of today, DBL is one of India's fastest growing construction companies and has set an incredible record of completing 90% of their allocated projects before time, with complete client satisfaction with their innovative approach, self-sustainable ecosystem, quality assurance and complete transparency. DBL, which has provided its services in 20 states of the country, is now looking to expand internationally, accepting every challenge, creating success in every struggle and creating the possibilities after every success. Dilip Buildcon Ltd, a name synonymous with progress, innovation, and trust. Our dedicated team has turned challenges into triumphs, showcasing efficient management and cutting-edge technology in every project. As we witness the changing landscape of India, Dilip Buildcon stands tall, building the foundations of a better tomorrow.